Okay, so now we're looking at step 2 of doing a bobble row. The first step was chaining double and then doing single crochet of that entire row. So now we're going to do our bobble row. A bobble consists of one single crochet and one bobble. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to chain 3 or chain 2 or 3, depends on how many bobbles you're going to do. If you're going to do a 4 cluster bobble, you want to do 3. If you're going to do a 2 or 3 cluster bobble, you do 2. I'm doing 2. And then I'm going to turn, and then I'm going to do my bobble cluster in the very first single crochet. So I already have 1, and then I'm going to do, there's my 2, there's my 3, and there's my 4. And on the hook I have 4 strands, and then I'm going to go over and pull through 1. So that becomes a bobble. And then in the second stitch I'm going to do a single crochet. And that'll lock in the bobble and make it pop out. So again, we're going to repeat that in the next one. And I'm going to do 1, 2, and 3. And again, I have 4 strands on my, or 4 loops on my hook, and I'm going to pull through that. And then I'm going to lock it in the next single crochet. So now I have 2 bobbles popping out. Do it one more time. Over, bring through 2, I have 2 loops, over, bring through 2, oops, only 2. So I have 3 on my loop, or crochet hook, and then over again, bring through 2. So here's my 4, pull through, and now I'm going to lock it in. So this row is all white, so there's no color changes here. So I'm going to go ahead, take my hook out here, and show you that I have 3 bobbles. Now here's the neat thing about this is when you do your single crochet row, you're setting the foundation for all your bobbles. Once you do your single crochet row using the word chart, to do your bobble row you don't need to look at the word chart because you're basically picking the same color that is in your foundation chain. So I'm going to go ahead and stop here, and I'm going to finish this entire row. And then that'll set me up for the single crochet row of row 2.